I heard some chirping over there. Can we get a reprise of that, please? Por favor, s'il vous plaît, proszę. All right, Sightseeing with Dignity, Human Rights Art Series 62 in progress here. I drew the two 13-year-olds who were photographed in the porthole of the sailing ship St. Louis, which left Europe in 1939. I just did that part in ink here. I'm thinking of drawing the doing the metal parts of the porthole around here in kind of green ink and or watercolor, or both green. All right. I looked on the internet to see if either of them were still alive. They'd be around 100 years of age now, but I didn't find out. Maybe I'll try the website of the U.S. Holocaust Memorial Museum in Washington, D.C. Okay, got quite a bit more to do here yet. Thank you for your feedback. Yeah, beautiful, beautiful. I found this scrap from a drawing that got cut up with 2 stars of David, and I'm thinking I'm going to paste it down here. Beautiful, Chi, beautiful, beautiful. Thank you, darling. Ooh. It's always nice to have fowl studio assistants. That's F-O-W-L, by the way, not F-O-U-L. Yes. Okay. Photograph on the cover of this book, authored by Martin Gilbert, published by Universe, which is also, I guess, a part of St. Martin's Press in New York, published 26 years ago in 2000. Okay, there you have it for now. Thank you again, Dr. Chi. I appreciate it. How about you, Prime Minister Mazel? Anything you want to add? Very good, very good. Bardzo dobrze in Polish, très bien in French, muy bien in Espanol.